Weather radio station WXJ54 in Star City, originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in North Little Rock. Your National Weather Service forecast. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Star City Police Department. An unusual and extremely dangerous situation is unfolding in the city of Star City. Large wildfires have been observed in the area, causing mass devastation across several areas within Star City, with some fires reaching temperatures over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Additionally, residents reported sightings of seeing several blue shark puppets in the area. The current motive of these individuals are unknown at this time. However, residents within Star City are advised to evacuate the area immediately. When evacuated, do not under any circumstances return to the area until the all-clear is given by the proper authorities. Do not attempt to approach these individuals, as they are considered extremely dangerous. Bring food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio. No weather radio and local television outlets will provide further information as it becomes available. Most importantly, you should remain calm in the situation, as panicking will make the situation worse. Please continue to monitor local media outlets as it become available.
Civil authority has issued a civil danger warning for Arkansas, AR, Bradley, AR, Cleveland, AR, Dallas, AR, Desham, AR, Drew, AR, Jefferson, AR, Lincoln, AR, beginning at 2:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time Tuesday, March 21st, 2023 and ending at 3:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time, March 21st, 2023. City of Star City, Arkansas. Citywide curfew until 8 p.m. Thursday. Remain off the streets. It is unknown at this time what caused this incident, but it is being investigated. Monitor local media outlets for further information.
The civil authority has issued 911 telephone outage emergency for the following counties or areas. Shelby, TN at 3:01 am on March 21st, 2023 effective until 3:15 am. Message from KOYR-FM. The 911 telephone outage is in effect for portions of Middle Tennessee. People are urged to call 901-545-2677. Call this number instead.
You are listening to your weather radio, station WMG 653, broadcasting in Marietta on 162.525 megahertz. Be sure to follow us on Facebook.
This is a hazardous weather message for the following counties: Camp, Cass, Franklin, Gregg, Harrison, Marion, Morris, Titus, Upshur, and Wood. The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a dense smoke advisory, which is in effect from 4 a.m. this morning until 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Locations: Shreveport, Nacogdoches, Sulphur Springs, and Lake Tawakoni. Visibility: 3 miles less at times, locally near 1. Timing: visibilities will occur between 4 a.m. and 9 a.m. This is a civil emergency message. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Longview, Texas Emergency Management Agency. The Longview, Texas Emergency Management Agency is asking all residents to be on the lookout for some potentially dangerous individuals. These individuals are 2 feet 1 inches, weighing 0.5 ounces, resembling blue-colored sharks with no body, with evil looks on their face, red eyes, and white sharp teeth. The Longview Emergency Management Agency advises, if the individuals become aggressive, go inside and barricade yourself and the entrance of your house. If you get attacked by these sharks, immediately call 911.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Longview Emergency Management Agency. Residents in Longview are under a mandatory evacuation. This is for your safety. There is an emergency situation happening in the Longview metropolitan area. Numerous blue sharks were reported in and around the city of Longview attacking civilians and law enforcement through means of physical altercations and biting. The description of these sharks goes as followed: 2 feet 1 inches, weighing 0.5 ounces, resembling blue-colored sharks, with no body and blood-colored eyes. These sharks appear to attack a human or animal in sight, and those affected freeze solid briefly and transforms into blue evil shark puppets. It is unknown on where they came from, or if this is a supernatural occurrence. Residents in Longview are strongly urged to shelter in place immediately. Lock all doors and windows, and turn off all ventilation. If you have a firearm, keep it to your person in the case of one or more of these sharks break into your house. Monitor local media outlets for further information on this situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Memphis Emergency Management Agency. As of 10:37 a.m. Central Daylight Time, the 911 telephone system for Memphis has been breached due to some evil blue shark puppets attacking the dispatch center, and as a result, 911 is unreachable at this time. For assistance, call 901-636-3000. To repeat, 901-636-3000.
You are listening to your weather radio, station WXJ97, broadcasting in Shreveport on 162.4 megahertz. Be sure to follow us on Facebook. Here's a look for local weather conditions at 11 a.m. At the top of the hour, skies were sunny in Shreveport. The temperature was 67 degrees at the regional airport. The dew point was 30. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Louisiana Division of Emergency Management and the Louisiana Division of Health. Residents within these stop water consumption immediately. This includes Beanville, Bossier, Caddo, Claiborne, DeSoto, Red River, Webster, Cass, Harrison, Marion, and Panola. Please stop flushing toilets, washing clothes, using showers, and consuming tap water. Only use bottled water for drinking purposes. High amounts of radioactive materials have been detected in the water supply due to the River Bend nuclear power plant due to some blue sharks plant. Anyone that has come into contact or ingested the water should seek medical attention immediately, including possible decontamination. If not treated in time, it could lead to long-term illness or death. Avoid all water usage until further notice. You're listening to your weather radio, station WXN 87 in Natchitoches on 162.5 megahertz. Be sure to follow us on Facebook. This is an important message from the National Weather Service. For Natchitoches, Beanville, DeSoto, Grant, Natchitoches, Red River, Sabine, and Wynn. A major firmware corruption has occurred over the broadcast messaging handler systems used for NOAA weather radio broadcasts. A contaminated water warning was just recently been issued for station WXJ 97 and 96 in Shreveport, as well as WXN 87 for Natchitoches. After the alert finished relaying, Shreveport's WXJ 97 and Natchitoches' WXN 87's transmitter site started to glitch and caused the regular broadcast to be corrupted. We apologize for any inconvenience this had caused to our listeners. This has been a public information statement. This is an important message from the
This is the NOAA weather radio station WXK-78 in Alexandria, the voice of the National Weather Service. The current time is 1:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
This is a public information statement for the following parishes: Allen Parish, Beauregard Parish, Kalkazu Parish, Cameron Parish, and Jefferson Davis Parish. Numerous 911 telephone outages have been reported in much of south and northeastern Louisiana. At this time, backup or non-emergency numbers are not available. People are advised to drive themselves to the hospital. In addition, authorities have found the cause of these unexpected telephone.
Greetings, fellow humans of the United States. I am going to shut down the government for good. Wait until you find out.
This is NOAA weather radio station KHB-42 in Lake Charles, broadcasting on a frequency on 162.40 megahertz. This NOAA weather radio includes a specific area message encoding for special receivers during emergencies. NOAA weather radio broadcasts 24 hours a day from the National Weather Service in Lake Charles, Louisiana. Our transmitter is located in Westlake, Louisiana.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Calcasieu Parish Health Department. It has been recently discovered that the water supply for Calcasieu Parish is contaminated. Within the past 1 to 2 hours, a high amount of phosgene and copper has infiltrated the water system, causing the water supply to become dangerous to ingest. The source of the infestation has not been identified, and the health department is working to contain the substance. Anyone that has either come in contact with or has ingested the water supply of Calcasieu Parish during this time are strongly encouraged to seek medical attention immediately. Phosgene is a suffocating element, and symptoms of phosgene poisoning include respiratory and cardiovascular failure, low blood pressure, and accumulation of fluid in the lungs. Until this incident is contained, please use bottled water for drinking purposes. Avoid water usage until further notice.
This is the NOAA weather radio station KX54 at Toledo, Bentham, the voice of the National Weather. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 12, effective until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following parishes and counties: in Louisiana, Beauregard, Sabine and Vernon, and in Texas, Jasper, Newton, Sabine and San Augustine. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast media and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is the NOAA Weather Radio station KX54 at Toledo, Bentham, the voice of the National Weather Service. This is the NOAA Weather Radio station KX54 at Toledo, Bentham, the voice of the National Weather Service. Please stand by for an important message. KX54 will be on air shortly.
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Beauregard Parish and north-central Louisiana, central Sabine Parish, and north-central Louisiana, southern Vernon Parish, and north-central Louisiana, western Jasper County, and North Texas, southern Newton County and North Texas, Sabine County, and North Texas, northern San Augustine County and North Texas, until 4:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-sized hail was located near Burkeville or near Browndell, moving north at 50 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include, but are not limited to, Browndell, Burkeville, Sabine, and Jasper. For your protection, get inside a building now. If you hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.